Apple announced shiny new iPhones today. I'm Kim Komando with 5 ways to use your old iPhone or Android, brought to you by ExpressVPN. Secure your online data and get an extra 3 months free at expressvpn.com/Kim. Let's start with the kids. Old phones are great for kids who aren't quite ready for their own phone yet. Simply connect it to Wi-Fi. That's right, no cell phone plan required. And they can use the camera, listen to music, play games, hop on TikTok, and make calls over Wi-Fi. 2, tired of looking for your streaming remote control? Apple, Amazon, Roku, and others all have their own mobile apps, so you can turn an old phone into a remote. 3, use that old phone as a dedicated webcam for all your Zoom calls. And while you're at it, brings us to number 4. Add the Alfred app and your phone can do double duty as a security cam. Finally, 5. All phones must be able to call 911 without a SIM card or a cell phone plan. So as long as the old phone has power, that phone can still call in the event of an emergency. Get more tech tips right now at Komando.com. This show is over, but a new one is within reach. Get Kim Komando Explains wherever you get your podcasts. You're going to love it, and you're going to learn something new. I promise. What are you waiting for? Time's a-wasting.